How to change theme in chess.com app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change theme in your chess.com app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your chess.com app. And then once you're in your app, the chess.com app, here you have to tap on more in the bottom right corner. And then here you will see themes. Tap on it, and here is the theme you have selected, and here are all the themes you can select. So if you want a custom theme, you can tap here on custom, and then here you can make your own custom themes. You can select piece styles, board, sound. So if you tap on sound, here are all the sounds you can select from. If you tap on here board, here are all the types of board you can select from. And here are pieces style. So if you tap on it, here are all of the pieces style you can select from. So after just selecting, to save it, just wait for a few seconds and go back, and the theme will change. And so this is how you can change theme in chess.com app. Thanks for watching.